This is a hardcore RVer modification video. Old yellowing shower fixtures just don't get it, so we decided to replace them. So how do you change out a shower faucet in an RV? Well, it turns out it was a lot easier than what I thought it would be. I looked on the other side of the wall from where the shower faucet was located, and I noticed there was a mirror. Could there quite possibly be an access point to take care of the plumbing if I took the mirror down? The answer is yes. I feel it's pretty straightforward now how to replace your shower fixtures. I will give you one warning: the eye where the hose fits into is overpriced on Amazon. They want $24. I got a local RV shop for less than $3. But otherwise, how do you hook up your new unit and what you want to do as far as getting new connections or whatnot? I just use the old. I will be not installing the mirror back until after I go up in the high country. There's something to be said about testing things under the worst conditions to see if you've got a leak or not. And I don't really want a leak behind that wall. Technical assistance provided by John the Plumber, America's favorite badass plumber.